Hi guys, welcome to another Shopify tutorial. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can display different banner image or slideshow image for desktop version and for mobile version. So if you're having issues using the same image on your slideshow or on your image banner, then this tutorial is for you because this is a no-code tutorial, a simple copy and paste snippet which I'll provide you guys in order to fix the issue. No need to hire a developer for that. No need to contact Shopify support or anything like that. A simple how-to video on how you can do it on your own as a Shopify merchant. So guys, this is an example of the issue. So that is my development store. And as you can see, I have this text on the left-hand side of the image. And if I go to the mobile version, you can see that this text is cut off. Now you could have the similar issue with your banner image or with slideshow image, which you can fix really easily. And after implementing this video, you will have it like this. So that is a different tab where I have already added the fix. Now that is the desktop version. Now if I check out the mobile version, you can see it's a completely different image, right? And it looks great. It doesn't have any cutoff text and it is showing up each product clearly. You can add this fix on your store as well. Really easy to do that. And this is for the latest version of Horizon theme. So as of today, latest version is 3.1.0, and I'm going to show you how to implement that. So that is the backend of my development store. I'm going to click on online store. And as you can see, I have added this fix on the latest version of Horizon theme, which is version 3.1.0 as of today. Now you can use this tutorial on any of the theme. So let's suppose you're using this one, Saver, or you are using this one here, or the Ritual theme, because all of the code base is same for these, because all of this is using the same Horizon base theme. Now let's try implementing that on this Saver theme. I'm going to install this. So click on Try Theme to install the theme, and it is being installed. Now guys, while this theme is being installed, if you are new to Shopify and you want to set up your store for just $1 a month, there's a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get your store for just $1 a month. Also, if you're having trouble getting more sales or increasing average order value, we have created an app for you by the name of Big Bulk Discount. You just need to Google Big Bulk Discount Shopify. Oops. And you will have this app showing up, through which you can add volume or tier-based discount. And this app is also available for free trial. So you can use it 7 days completely for free. And it comes with a really nice looking product widget. So make sure to try it out. If you don't like it, simply install. Or if you like it, leave a review as well on the app. Okay, now back to the tutorial. And you can see my Saver 3.1.0 has been now added. I'm going to click on Publish. And then click on Publish again. Now let's click on Edit Theme. It used to be Theme Customizer. Now Shopify has renamed it to be Edit Theme. I don't know why. Okay, let's click on that. And here I am going to add an image. So if I add an image, so that is the landscape version of the image. Now let's hide this text here from the Shopify. So I'm gonna hide this group here. Okay, so I don't have any text from Shopify itself. It's the text within the image. Now if I try to check it out on the mobile version, you can see that it's cutting off from the sides, right? But we will be fixing that. And it's the same issue with the slideshow as well. So if I click on Add Section and add a slideshow, and in the slideshow, if I add the image here, so that's my desktop version image. Now, if I check it out in the mobile version, I'm going to hide the other slides. Okay, now that's my slideshow. And if I check it out in the mobile version, you can see that it's cutting off. Now, the code which I'll provide you guys going to fix issue for the slideshow and for the hero banner both. And let me show how we can do that. So let's first do that with the hero banner. So what I'm going to do, I'll basically create the duplicate of it here. Let's name the first one, rename it, and say it Hero Desktop. And for the second version, I'm going to say it Hero Mobile. Right? So we can have separate images. Now, in the Hero Mobile, I'm going to add the portrait version. So let's click on change, select from library. I have the image already ready. So I'm going to click here and then click on done. Once done, let's click on save. Now you might be thinking that Bilal, there are two banners showing up and it's not looking good. I know that. And we will be adding a small CSS code for that. So that is the link for the article. You will find the link in the description of this video. And this is for not just for the Horizon theme. You can find the different code snippet for Dawn 15.4 and for Dawn 12.0.0. So just click on these buttons and you will find the code. So for now, we will use the Horizon version. And if we want to display the banner only on desktop version, we will use this code here. So click on copy code button and then go back to the theme section, click on Hero Desktop, scroll down all the way to the bottom, click on custom CSS and paste the code. Now do the same for the mobile version. Go to this mobile version, which we created as a duplicate, and scroll down to the bottom, open this custom CSS accordion, and then copy the code from here, which is for the mobile version, and then paste the code here. Once done, you will see that we will have only one banner showing up, one for the desktop version and one for the mobile version. Looks cool, right? Now your issue is fixed. Now you will do the same thing with the slider as well, and the same code is going to work completely fine. So I am going to simply create a duplicate of my slideshow. So let's create the duplicate. And for the first one, I'm going to rename it to be Slideshow Desktop. And the second one to be the mobile version. So let's rename it Slideshow Mobile. And now let's change the images of the slideshow. So for this one, I'm going to upload the desktop version, which is already there. And for the next one, let's use the mobile version of image. So I'm going to click on this slide here and then change the image, select from library and use the mobile banner. Click on done. And now you will notice that it is going to work only for the mobile version once we paste the code. So let's click there, add in the custom CSS again. For the desktop version, we'll copy this code here. And for the mobile version, we will copy and paste the code, which we have here. So click on copy code and then paste it here. Perfect. Now you can see that we have only one slideshow showing up, one for the desktop version and one for the mobile version. Right? This is for the banner and this is for the slideshow. And if I click on save, and try to preview my store, you can see that this is the desktop hero banner. And if I click on inspect, the image is changed to the mobile hero banner. Similarly with the slideshow, which we have added on the bottom. So that's the slideshow section. And if I change it to the mobile, you can see that how it looks. Now you can use the same code with other sections as well. So if I go back to the CSS code, so this is just a beginner level tutorial. If you guys want to learn the code, I have a separate playlist for the HTML and CSS. That's a huge playlist which I created a while back. So if you are a complete beginner and interested to learn some HTML, CSS, you can watch out that playlist. Now let me explain the code which I added. So I'm gonna go to the code. So this is basically the media query which we are using as the max width. So it's telling that only use this code when the max width is 750px, right? And this is the elements which it's targeting. So the one element is slideshow component and the other one is the hero banner. These are the two elements which we are targeting. Now, if you want to do this with some other sections, you can simply click on inspect element and find the section class. So click on this pointer here and take your mouse over there and find the slideshow component. So in here, we have, this is the component here. So if we want to hide this component, we will simply use this selector, which I use here, just like this, and add in the CSS code for that specific section. So let's say I want to hide this one on the mobile version or the desktop version. Simply click on that section, scroll down to the bottom and add in the custom CSS code. It's pretty simple. Codes are available. You can check it out and really easy to follow and implement that. That's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if I was helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to create similar tutorial for you. Happy to help. Until next video, have a great day.